Have you ever wondered what those delicious, high-calorie junk foods do to your body, specifically your liver? It's a question that's been on many minds, but often gets overshadowed by the immediate gratification that these scrumptious snacks provide. We live in a world where junk food has become a staple in many diets. Fast food chains are on every corner, and our busy lives often lead us to choose convenience over health. The prevalence of these foods in our daily life is alarming, but what's even more concerning is the general lack of awareness about the real impact they have on our health, and in particular, on our liver. The liver, that vital organ that works tirelessly to detoxify our bodies, is often forgotten in our health conversations. And yet it's one of the most affected by our dietary choices. The sugars, fats, and additives found in junk food can cause significant damage to this vital organ, leading to conditions that can have serious, even life-threatening consequences. This video is all about shedding light on this important issue. We'll delve into the world of junk foods, the role of the liver in our bodies, and the harmful effects that these foods can have on it. We'll also discuss ways to prevent this damage and provide healthier alternatives that can satisfy our cravings without compromising our well-being. In today's society, where we're constantly bombarded with tempting food choices and misleading advertising, it's more important than ever to be informed and make conscious decisions about what we put into our bodies. It's not just about looking good or fitting into a certain size. It's about preserving our health and ensuring that our bodies can function optimally for as long as possible. We hope that this video will serve as a wake-up call and a source of empowerment. Knowledge is power, and understanding the impact of our dietary choices is the first step towards taking control of our health. Understanding the impact of junk food on our liver is crucial to maintaining our health and wellness. So let's take this journey of awareness and transformation together. Before we delve into the effects on the liver, let's first understand what junk food really is. Junk food, as the name suggests, is generally food that provides little to no nutritional value. It's high in calories, sugar, and fat, but low in essential nutrients like proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Some common examples include fast foods like burgers and fries, sweet treats like cookies and candy, and sugary drinks like sodas. These foods are often processed and packed with preservatives to extend their shelf life, making them readily available but not necessarily good for our health. They're typically high in sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure, and they're usually high in sugars, which can lead to obesity and diabetes. Understanding these characteristics of junk food is crucial in comprehending its impact on our health, particularly on the liver. Knowing what junk food is allows us to understand its effects on the liver better. The liver, one of the most vital organs in our body, performs several key functions. This large, meaty organ, located on the right side of the belly, is a true workhorse in our internal ecosystem. It's the liver's job to filter the blood coming from the digestive tract before passing it to the rest of the body. It detoxifies chemicals, metabolizes drugs, and produces proteins essential for blood clotting and other functions. Think of the liver as a highly efficient processing plant. It takes in raw materials, breaks them down, stores some for later, and sends the rest off to other parts of the body. It's also our body's primary defender against toxins, working tirelessly to neutralize harmful substances we ingest or breathe in. Additionally, the liver plays a crucial role in our metabolism, breaking down fats to produce energy. Now that we know the importance of the liver, let's see how junk food affects it. You might be surprised to know that your favorite junk foods can cause serious harm to your liver. Let's dive into the details. The liver, one of the most industrious organs in our body, has a crucial role in processing everything we eat or drink. And when we say everything, we mean it, even those tasty junk foods you can't resist. So what happens when we indulge in these unhealthy delights? Each time you eat junk food, your liver gets to work. It tries to break down the high levels of fats and sugars present in these foods. Over time, this can lead to what's known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. This condition means that your liver has an excessive amount of fat buildup, which is not due to alcohol but to your dietary choices. But that's not all. Alongside NAFLD, another condition called inflammation can occur. When we consume an overload of junk food, our body recognizes this as a form of stress. In response, it releases chemicals called cytokines. These cytokines trigger inflammation in an attempt to protect the body. While this might sound like a good thing, it's not. Chronic inflammation can damage your liver cells and lead to scarring, known as cirrhosis, which can be life-threatening. Now you might be asking, what ingredients in junk food contribute to these conditions? Let's break it down. The most common culprits are trans fats and high fructose corn syrup. Trans fats are used in many fast foods and packaged foods to extend their shelf life. These fats are hard for our bodies to break down and can lead to fatty liver disease. On the other hand, high fructose corn syrup, a common sweetener in sodas and sweets, can overwork the liver. When consumed in large amounts, the liver turns the fructose into fat, contributing to NAFLD. But wait, there's more. Junk food is also typically high in salt, which can cause fluid buildup in the liver, leading to swelling and potential liver damage. Not to mention, junk food often lacks the essential nutrients that your liver needs to function properly, leaving it vulnerable to disease. By now, you're probably realizing that your liver is not a fan of junk food. It's a tough cookie, sure, but it's not invincible. It needs proper care and nutrition to function at its best. So before you reach for that bag of chips or that extra slice of pizza, think about your liver. Remember, it's the one doing the hard work to process what you consume. It's the one bearing the brunt of your unhealthy choices. As we can see, regular consumption of junk food can lead to severe liver conditions. So let's make healthier food choices, not just for our taste buds, but for our hard-working liver as well. While the effects of junk food on the liver are alarming, there are ways to prevent this damage. One of the most effective strategies for reducing junk food consumption is practicing mindful eating. This involves paying full attention to the food you're eating, savoring each bite, and acknowledging what you like and don't like about it. This can be a powerful tool in recognizing your eating habits and patterns and can help you make healthier choices in the long run. Another strategy is to replace junk food with healthier alternatives. For example, instead of reaching for a bag of chips when you're feeling peckish, why not opt for a handful of nuts or some fresh fruit? These foods not only satisfy your hunger, but also provide your body with essential nutrients that support liver health. Speaking of liver health, there are certain foods that are particularly beneficial for this vital organ. Fruits and vegetables, especially those rich in antioxidants like berries, tomatoes, bell peppers, and leafy greens, can help protect your liver from damage. Whole grains, like brown rice and oatmeal, are also good for your liver as they help maintain your blood sugar levels and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and tofu are another great choice. They help your liver function properly and repair itself. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish, can also support liver health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how much you eat. Overeating can lead to weight gain, which can increase your risk of liver disease. So try to maintain a balanced diet and watch your portion sizes. Moreover, regular physical activity is key. Exercise helps burn off excess calories that might otherwise be stored as fat in your liver. So, whether it's a brisk walk, a bike ride, or a yoga session, try to get moving every day. Choosing healthier alternatives over junk food can go a long way in protecting your liver and your overall health. It's never too late to start making healthier choices, so why not start today? Your liver will thank you. In conclusion, our eating habits play a vital role in our liver health. Let's revisit the key points we have discussed. Junk food, laden with unhealthy fats, sugars, and artificial ingredients, is a culprit for poor health. On the other hand, the liver, a critical organ in our body, performs numerous functions, including detoxification and metabolism. Unfortunately, the consumption of junk food can have detrimental effects on the liver. From causing inflammation to leading to severe diseases like fatty liver disease, the impact is far-reaching. However, it's not all doom and gloom. With the right strategies in place, we can prevent these ill effects. Opting for healthier alternatives, cutting down on processed foods, and maintaining a balanced diet can ensure the well-being of our liver. Remember, a healthy liver is key to a healthy life. Make wise food choices and take care of your health.